You guys want to see this? Somebody type in the chat, give me an idea of what we can create. Let's say that you're on a mastermind call right now, and we're going to create an offer for somebody today. Meaning we're going to create the page, we're going to create the ads, we're going to have that damn thing live before the mastermind call ends. Now, how freaking cool is that going to be? Would that not be the most ultimate mastermind ever, guys? Ever. And your audience is going to be, the URL is automatically going to be added to the audience. Your pixels are automatically going to be placed. Your meta is already placed. Your privacy policies are all set up. Your domain's already verified. Give me something fun. What do we got that's fun? Ah, there we go. Become a drone pilot. You got that, G? Let's do become a drone pilot for, yeah, just do that one. Can you do that one, G? You know nothing about becoming a drone pilot, do you?
No.
You think you got it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna let you take the screen. I'm gonna go get some water.
Are you guys able to see my screen now? Yeah. Okay. So I'm in the MintBird and let's create the AI copy that we did. And then the topic was the drone pilot. Okay. So let me just do a quick ZPT for that because I have no idea what I'm going to do. So let me see. So the offer name would be,
Just do go-kart secrets or go-kart pilot secrets.
okay.
Go-karts. Go and then C-A-R-T, right? I don't know if it's one word or two. Wait a minute. Why are we doing go-kart? It's do drone. I'm sorry. Do
Yeah. So let me just
master.
get one for the
Where did I
drone.
come up with go-karts? Do master drone techniques. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Where did I get go-karts? No wonder why you're confused. Don't listen to me. All right. There you go.
Yeah. So I guess it's going to be a digital product,
Yep.
a digital course, maybe. And then it can be for, yeah, let's do beginners.
And then
And
show
then,
them how you're running this through GPT. The idea, guys, is this is the only screen that you got to give us some detail. And you can use ChatGPT if you want to, but this is yours, right? It can't come up with your name or whatever.
yeah, so for the GPT, if you can see this, I just went through and asked it a bunch of questions, or you can simply, what you can do is just grab the screenshot of this and then say, okay, I'm going to do the product for this one. Can you answer the questions? And it will just go through and answer all of the questions for you, right? So these are the things you can add on your own, but there will be some details that you can grab from this one. So I have no idea about this, so I'm just grabbing this. Also, it's talking about FFA Part 107 exam. I have no idea what that is, but yeah. So those are the information you can get. And if you, since you know your product already, you can add additional information about that. So I'm just doing that. And then, okay, let's just copy and paste that. So this
What
is
you
the
guys,
offer detail.
what you guys don't want to do is you don't want to try to sell right now. We're not trying to write copy or anything. We're trying to actually tell it about the offer, right? And who the audience is.
Yep. So now it's saying for the audience detail, it's saying the course is ideal for beginners and yeah, all of this stuff. And now just let's just do the next step. And based on all these answers that you gave, like how detailed are you about this, there will be a question set and those will be answered automatically by GPT. But those are the steps, like these questions, you can actually modify what you want to tell, like what is the product about. This answer is coming based off of what I told on the previous screen. So this is that. And also I selected the beginner level. So what it's saying is what level of experience should they have. So it's going to be beginners. And yeah, what pain point and or frustration they are dealing with. And this is the answer it came up with. If you like it, you can keep it, you can add it, or you can just simply remove all of it and do your own answers. But these are the answers that will determine what you're trying to do. So it's basically providing the context on what you're trying to do for the product, and we're trying to write the copy for that. So let's do the next step. And this is where you'd see all the different type of headlines based on the tone. And this is the part we have worked on. So it should be a lot faster than how it used to be. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Yeah, there it is. So right now we only have 4 of these headlines. You can read through these, and the one you can select the one you like. So which one should I go with? Can you guys just give me a number?
And just so you guys know, there's going to be 50 of these different types of tones. And these tones, we're not using the actual marketer's name, but these are all written, these are all tones from the master copywriters out there.
Yep. So I'm seeing a lot of 2s, so I'm gonna go with 2. Now let's just generate the page.
Come on, baby, don't let us down. That's good. It's taking a little bit longer this time. Oh yeah, this one's going to do good. Moment of truth. There you go. Now, guys, this right here, I would run this right now. I would run this as an ad. Now, let me show you something cool. So let's create a new bot real quick, G. I know it's been a while since you've done this, but let's go ahead and create a bot and let's do the call it the drone bot. Okay. Yep. Okay. So now he's got his drone bot down there at the bottom right. And let's go ahead and edit the chat bot. Now you guys already know how to do all this stuff, how to change the colors and everything else. But what he's going to do is he's going to go over to the training, right? As soon as he connects his assistant.
Yeah, I guess I can do any of that right now.
Yeah, you can do
Right?
any of them. Yep. And then go ahead and go to your training. And now click on URL and understand we created that page. We've already added it to the audience. We've already deployed the meta pixel. Now paste in that URL there, G.
You're talking about this one, right? The one we
Yep.
did.
Yep. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this bot everything we got on this product. The sales page, any specs we have, any Google Docs, any delivery, whatever we have, we're going to go through and we're going to train this bot on this here. And then what's going to happen, guys, is you're going to have a business page for every single one of your products. So we're going to go create a business page for this drone product. Okay, well, I'm not going to use a Chat Nicely page. I'm going to do drone, whatever it was, expertise, drone seekers, whatever it was. And the reason why is because we're now going to deploy this bot to that page. Does that make sense? And so now when we go out there and we run our ads, we're going to tell people to click the button and message the page. And the first thing that people are going to do is they're going to say, is anybody there? And your bot's going to jump in and say, why, yes, I am. How are you? And then they're going to say, well, I saw your ad or whatever. Is it really $5? It absolutely is $5. Would you like to have a link? Sure. Yeah. Here's the link. Boom. They click the link. They open up the link. Pixel fires off. Now they're put in the audience. Now we're going to retarget them. If they buy the front end, if they buy the bumps and everything else, we remove them from the audience. Now you're going to get the lowest costs possible. Makes sense? And we're going to do all this by opening up a freaking existing proven sales page, rewriting it with AI real quick, opening up Canva, creating text ads, and then letting it go. And that's it. And I'm here to tell you, can you go open up the $5 ad page real quick, G? Look, you guys think I'm kidding with you? This freaking thing is going nuts. And Connie's like, when are you gonna get better? 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 Like, she has taken it down. She refuses to pause it because the ad is doing so good. It's on her funnel, G. She has taken it down to $1 a day. She's like, I'm not gonna pause it, but I'll put it at $1. Guess what? They're still inquiring. At $1, they're still inquiring, right? But look at this stupid page.
Yeah, so this is the one. This is the
Well,
one, right?
let me see. Yeah, that's it. See there, guys, that page. Tell me that there's, do you still got the drone page open, G?
Yeah,
Look,
this is
look at the page AI created versus what I created with my own copy. Go back to it. Look, I'm telling you, man, there's no freaking difference. Like AI is writing at my level today. That's it. That's it. We got a two-step order form. Somebody fills out the details, we fire off a tag. Let me ask you guys this, even though you haven't done it yet, on a scale of 1 out of 10, where is your confidence with everything that I'm talking about right now? Where is your confidence? Because I want to get the mastermind where they are cranking out simple little $5 products. Because you know what? You ain't gonna beat yourself up over $5. You're not gonna be like, okay, you know what? My course isn't good enough, or I haven't done this. Right? You ain't gonna beat yourself up, and nobody's gonna beat you up. If you guys follow my lead and do exactly like I'm showing you, you'll be fine. You'll be able to get away with ebooks and everything else. And if you take all the strategies and everything that we're teaching and you go and package it up differently, and you, man, look, I could go out there and I could target just realtors if I wanted to. I could go, I mean, we can go into verticals, we can do whatever we want, we can go into areas. It doesn't really matter. But what I'm trying to tell you is a simple micro page like this is what I'm calling it. Go ahead and scroll down. Look, I don't got a video on it. I do have a picture on it, but you can put a picture on it too. I don't have a picture of the product. I got nothing. I got nothing. Now, here's the magic. Go ahead and click here to buy. Can we do a test? Can you put it in test mode real quick? So now it's in testing mode, right? So watch what happens, guys. Somebody sees your stupid ad that actually says $5 on it, okay? And they come over here to your AI generated sales page that's already got the metapixel place, already been added to your audience, already has a retargeting ad set up, ready to go. And somebody's gonna come over here and they're gonna say, okay, they're either gonna fill this out or they're gonna message you, and AI Bot Studio is gonna take over, right? But when they do, when we come over here to step number 2, watch what happens. They've opted in, tag just fired off. Now we're going to fill out all these details here. You actually don't have to. You can just scroll down and then look right away. We're going to make that thing flash. We're going to say just for you, it's free. We're going to put a little label on that, right? And that one they get for free. And then I'm going to have it, guys, where as soon as they elect to get the free one, these paid ones will kind of show up underneath. You won't see it until you select it. That's going to be an option. But now look, so the top one's free. Now they're going to say, yep, I want this one. And there we go. Now there's 10. And then see how we have a label here? Now we're going to go, and there's 15. And now we're going to go, and there's 20. Right? Does everybody see this right now? 5, 10, 15. Oh,
yeah, one of them
your
is
product
free.
is 5. Yeah, your product should be 5, but it's only 2. So now we're paying 19 cents a click, 20 cents a click, 60 cents a click, whatever, and our average order value is 20 bucks. So can you guys start to see how your cost to acquire a customer is going to be way lower than your average order value? And now we don't have to do any of the work. Between AI, between MintBird, between GC, between AI Bot Studio, it's all taken care of.